Puerto Piedra, which is a little known walk right around the coast of beach here.
It's located in between Zicatela Beach and Manzanillo Beach. It's a small man-made coastal path covered by rocks, and it's really pretty.
The thing about this is that not that many people know about it. So while the main beaches in Puerto Escondido are quite busy, this is actually quite tranquil, and it's a perfect spot for sunset, having some beers and spotting some beautiful fish.
So the colour of the water is gorgeous. It's like crystal clear, so blue. I'm definitely going to come back here to go freediving at some point. There's a few people already freediving around here, but there are a few sea urchins, so a little sketchy. So the walk is covered in these tiny little rock pools, loads of electric blue fish, and Tammy's just said she's seen a catfish. Okay, so that was a bit of a different video from us. Just kind of chill, walking around. Yeah, I would definitely highly recommend this location for sunset or something free to do in Porto.
So as you can see, we could actually spend hours at these rock pools, but we're also going to catch sunset. We have reached the end of the official trail. If you're feeling adventurous, you can keep going, climbing around the rocks. So we're going to do that right now, but we can't carry this with us.
Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.